Hi guys, today we'll be focusing on XRP. So remember to subscribe on this channel as there are still many things to come which gonna assist you on your investment portfolio and which also gonna assist you on your trading journey. So as we're on XRP against US dollar 1 hour chart, we have to check for liquidity. We also have to check for buy stops and sell stops. So at this point, what do we really need to check? We can see that we have some sell stops at this point, which are not yet rated off. And again, at this point, we have equal highs, which needs to be rated off. But so far, on the investing side, we can still hold and stuff. So you can see, because the history normally repeats itself each and every time. We can take this point, this one, and compare it with this one and compare it with this one. So you can say we are left with this side here, with this spike. Just put an example. So it means it can come back and trade at 28 cents. But then there are a lot of things which are happening here on XRP, which you need to look at. You can see at this point, we had a breakout, guys. We had a breakout. And if you check, this structure was not broken by this structure. And this one didn't come here at this point. So now what are we really expecting? We're expecting for this candle at least to come and trade here at this point before we can inject long positions. Here. Then now what do you have to do? Let's just jump to a higher time frame so that you can see what's happening. What does XRP have for us? Then now we also have this problem that needs to be solved. Remember, each and every time when we are trading, you have to react according to the problem given. You don't just have to come up maybe with some other things. That's how I normally trade. I react towards the situation, towards a given problem. So now we can see we have these equal highs, okay, which need to be rated off before we begin with a strong rally. Let's come and check at this point again. Let's go on daily. Let's see. Okay. Weekly. Let's see. So guys, if we can pay attention here at this point, we can see that we had our supply zone here at this point. That's why we had a rally here at this point. Maybe some of you, they are familiar with M&Ws. So if you are familiar with M&Ws, you can see here we have a W. Then again, we have to check for these problems. This one might happen that it can trade down here up to 22 cents. Okay, but then now what do we have to pay attention on is this one. This is technical analysis. Here, okay, I'll replace it. And here we have some buy stops that needs to be rated off. Because on each and every spike, if we experience a spike like this one, you see it's very clean. And even this one is too clean. It means we have liquidity lying around this point. And we also have liquidity laying above these points. So it means the whole liquidity which is lying above these points needs to be filled or needs to be rated off. So what's my final decision exactly? We had a supply zone here. Where exactly is our demand? It's here at this point. Because we have more liquidity here at this point. So our demand zone is at 42 cents. This is what you have to look at. For those who are holding holding XRP on their wallets, they can keep holding as we still have to go bullish. So what is expected here exactly? I'm expecting for XRP to trade lower up to this level. At 29 cents, then we come here at this point, then after, maybe you can have this level here. So it depends. Sometimes it can start by raiding these highs and come here at this and trade here at this point, then it begins with the rally. So for a safe zone, in order to inject long positions, let's just wait for this equal highs to be rated off. Then it's where we can see where exactly is the market going. But then remember, the history repeats itself. You can take this point and mesh it with this one with this one, but then now we are left with this leg. Then again, what you can do, you can calculate the height of this and place it here. You can see that very soon this high gonna be rated off. So for now, what needs to be done is for us to be patient and wait for XRP to trade at 29 cents, which is 0.2850. To trade up to this point or up to this level, then this point is where we're going to inject our long positions. Why? It's because here our market structure is still aligned. Or I can just put a trend line like this. Our market structure is still aligned. Or you can just expect the price to trade again at this point. At 28 cents here. This is what we have to expect. So now what needs to be done? Just have to wait for this equal highs to be rated, then XRP to trade around these levels. Then it's where we can inject long position on XRP. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. So remember to subscribe and remember to hit the thumbs up. Goodbye.